Tired of missing important apps alert when Do Not Disturb is on? With One UI 8.0 and Android 16, you can now choose which app can still notify you even when your phone is in total silence mode. Let's see how to allow only specific apps to send notification during Do Not Disturb on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. In this example, we will allow WhatsApp notification while keeping all others mute. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, scroll down the screen, then tap Notification, tap Do Not Disturb. Under Allow during Do Not Disturb section, tap App Notification, tap App Notification again, and you will see two options: allow selected apps and allow all except selected apps. Choose allow selected apps. Next, tap the plus icon below. From the list, select WhatsApp or any app you want to allow. Tap Done to save your setting. Now, even when Do Not Disturb is turned on, notification from WhatsApp will still come through while everything else stays quiet. That's how easy it is to stay connected to what really matters, even in Do Not Disturb mode. It's perfect when you want peace but don't want to miss something important. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.